Guys, welcome back to Pure Lottie. So today's video I have a little mini haul and I'm going to try out a few of these products for you on camera. So if you want to see what I've got, then make sure you keep watching, and if you like today's video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family, hit that subscribe button and choose that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. Alright, let's jump in. So I'm actually going to show you what I have picked up in the last few weeks, and then I'm going to test out a whole pile of these items and do hopefully a wear test and let you guys know what my first impressions are of them. So jumping straight in, the first item I have picked up is from I&H Hair. So it is insert name here. Now I have already tested this once. I did it on dry hair, but it is their brush. It straightens it. I don't actually know the name of it. I will have to add it to the screen. But I picked this up from Erica Beauty's Alive. She had a discount code with them. I will link it down below if it is still active. But yeah, I picked this up during her live. It was also on sale as well, plus her discount code. Now the only thing that I can complain about with this is that it only came with the American plug, so I had to buy my own adapter for me to be able to use it. So that was a bit disappointing that, you know, you were able to select what country you were and everything, and they ship internationally, but it didn't give you an option to have like an Australian plug or like add in a adapter. Not everyone's going to have an adapter for America. Some people might, yes, but not everyone's going to have one. So that was the only downside for it. Now I did use it on dry hair, and I used it after I had my hair in plaits, and it worked out fabulous. So far I'm really happy with it. It has a little digital screen here. You can change the temperature with the up and down button, and it has the on and off button here. And to heat up to 355 took like maybe 10-15 seconds. It was so quick. The back of the brush does get hot, so be careful there, but the handle is nice and it's slim, but it's like sturdy enough to be able to hold. And then the cord is a 360 swivel, so you don't get tangled up. The cord is really nice and long as well. I've got heaps of room to be able to use it. So I will add a clip in and let you guys know what I think of this, but so far from this, it is pretty cool. So this is the difference between using the brush. I've been using it for probably 2, maybe 3 minutes on this side. This is what it looked like before brushing it. So it is still like damp, it's not dripping wet or anything, but this is how my hair looks when it is still damp. So this is what it looks like when it is dry. It has left it really nice and smooth and silky, nice and straightened. I've gotten rid of all of those little kinks in my hair. This side just looks so much healthier. I did put heat protectant on my hair before I did a sit down this morning, so yeah, I really like it. So the first item I picked up was the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb Cream. Now I've been wanting to try one of the cream versions. I absolutely love the gloss bombs. Now they didn't have all the colours there, but they were all 30% off. So I decided to pick up this chocolate brown colour. It is called Cookie Jar. And this is what it looks like. Now I'm not going to use this in today's video just because I do have another lip product that I also brought that I'm going to use today. But I'm really excited to give this a try. Now I don't have a really dark brown colour like this, so it was a good choice to choose this one because then it's not too similar to any of my other products. But the standard Gloss Bomb formula I really love anyway. So then the other item I got whilst I was in Sephora, I actually won a giveaway from Enchanted Rose Beauty, and her name is Marissa. I will link her details down below in the description. I actually won a Sephora gift card from her, so I won a $100 USD gift card, which converted to, I think it was $132 or something Australian. So I actually used the gift card to buy that Fenty Gloss Cream Bomb, and I also decided to treat myself because it wasn't like I didn't have to save the money for it. I wanted to treat myself to something really nice that I wouldn't necessarily buy for myself. So I decided to pick up a Natasha Denona palette. I'm so excited. I have that mini pink one, but I've never had one of the full-size ones, and I have been eyeing this off for quite a while now. And the reason why I decided to get one of the neutral ones, this is the Glam palette, is because I wanted to replace a lot of my little mini neutral palettes and be able to get rid of them out of my collection, so then I can just have like one big one, and this will be good for travel as well. So I'm so excited to have a Natasha Denona palette. So I'm going to use this today and just create a neutral look with you guys. And I'll let you know what I think of it. But this is the inside. How pretty is this? Oh, I'm so excited. I'm so spoiled grabbing this. So it's absolutely stunning. Opening up, it has a giant mirror here, but I don't want to shine it into yourselves. But this is the palette here. So it is very cool toned. I'm not sure if you're able to see many of the colors on camera, but it is very cool toned. I think it will be really pretty paired with some bright colors as well. So I think a lot of the transition colors in this will be really nice to go with other palettes too, but it will also make a really nice like neutral palette from the go. So I'm so grateful for winning Enchanted Rose Beauty's giveaway. It really gave me the option to be able to get something for myself that I wouldn't purchase necessarily for myself. So I'm so excited to give this a try, and I will add in a clip of me using it and let you guys know what my thoughts are as well. So I've just done a basic eye look with the Natasha Denona Glam palette. So this is what it's looking like. It's very pretty. I do have some fallout, so I would recommend using the palette before doing your base makeup. I did only use a few colors, so I used the transition color just to do a transition. I used the outer eyelid brown color that's down here for the outer corner, and then I used the center eyelid color, the silvery one that is just above the transition that I used, and I did that on the first half. They all blended super nicely. The shimmer, so that center eyelid is what it's called, that color, that is dry, and that is super pretty and shimmery. I didn't even have to wet it. But yeah, there is a little bit of fallout. It was a little bit powdery in the pans, but I'm okay with that because the pigment paid off. The blend was super easy. I've been doing my eyes now for less than 5 minutes, and I've finished my eye look already, so I'm really happy. The next item that I got was from Mimco, and I actually had a little voucher, a $10 voucher I think it was. I think it's for my birthday or something. So I decided to pick up some hair clips, which were $15. and this is what they look like. They're just very basic hair clips, but you can never go wrong with hair clips. And the fact that they were half price, so only $15 instead of $30, meant I only had to spend $5. So I was very happy with that purchase, and it came with its own little cute little bag as well. And then I went into Mecca and I picked up 2 products from Mecca. So I actually used, I think I still have maybe $7 left on my gift card, but I used majority of the remainder of my gift card from my husband that I got for, it was my birthday or our anniversary in 2021. So yeah, that is what I used to get these 2 items. And I decided again to spoil myself because yeah, it's something that I wouldn't necessarily purchase myself. But because I had the gift card, I decided to splurge. So this is the lip products that I'm going to use today, and it is from Charlotte Tilbury, and it is the Pillow Talk. Now I went for the Pillow Talk medium, so it's not the original Pillow Talk. It is a little bit darker, but I felt like this color was more versatile. I can use it with a lot more looks. So I'm so excited that I now have some Charlotte Tilbury lip products. I've been eyeing off the Pillow Talk lip products for ages now, but I just didn't want to spend that kind of money on lip products. But because I had the voucher, why not spoil myself? So I'm super excited to use this. So I'm going to pair this today with the Natasha Denona palette. So this is what the bullet lipstick looks like. It is so pretty. Let's open it up. Oh, I love looking at brand spanking new lipsticks. How stunning is that? Oh, I can't wait to use it. I'm so excited that I was able to spoil myself with these. And then this is the matching lip liner. Absolutely stunning packaging. And I did try it in store, and it is very, very creamy on the hand. So I'm excited to try it on my lips as well. So I have just used the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk in medium with the lip pencil. So this is the Lip Cheat Pillow Talk to a medium lip liner, and then the Pillow Talk to a medium, I think it's just a standard like bullet lipstick, and this is what it looks like. I think it is absolutely stunning. I really, really, really like it. The lip liner was so creamy and really nice to glide on the lips. And same with the lipstick. It was absolutely smooth and creamy, just absolutely beautiful. Hands down worth the money in my opinion. And then the lucky last items that I got in this little mini haul. This one I actually ordered online. So I ordered these from my favourite makeup artist here in Western Australia. It is Centre of Attention Makeup Artistry by Courtney Hollins. So she actually released her own brush set, and I picked it up on launch day. It comes with her little business card. It has a little card here, and this is some of her stunning looks. She does amazing, amazing looks. If you haven't checked her out before, I will link her details down below. And then it came in this beautifully wrapped tissue paper with a thank you sticker on it. And inside, ooh, it is the Blend Me Over makeup brush set. So it came with this really cute little plastic bag. This was included in the price. Then inside, the bag actually feels pretty decent quality as well. So pretty happy with that. Inside it has this little sticker. It's just the little Blend Me Over sticker. I'm not sure if you could maybe like stick it on the bag or something. And then it has all of these makeup brushes. So there is 15 brushes in here, and she has an exclusive video. So if you buy the brushes, you get a video with it, which tells you everything about the brushes, shows you how to use them, how to clean them, etc. So I'm super excited to give these a shot, and I'm so glad that they have arrived in time because I'm doing my makeup today and I need to clean my makeup brushes. So now I've got ones to get me through another week or so. So it is a full brush set, so it does have like the big ones for your face, and then it's got, you know, like the smaller ones for your eyes. It has really small ones for your eyeliner. So let me just quickly go ahead and open these all up. This one is COA1. It's really, really nice and fluffy. It is super soft. It just has like the metal bit here, and it feels like a wooden handle that is colored like teal and purple, and it has center of attention written on it, and then the names of the brushes. So this one is COA1. Really, really nice and fluffy. Then we've got COA2, which is a bit more dense. Really, really nice. Again, super soft. We've then got COA3, and this is more of like a contour sort of stippling brush. Then we have like a COA4. Really, really nice brush again. This one is probably going to be really nice for highlighter. Then COA5, again, a really nice one. It could probably be used even for setting underneath your eyes. Then we have COA6. This is more my style for sort of highlighter, otherwise, you know, carving out your nose. Really, really pretty. Then the rest to me all look like eyeshadow brushes. Now I haven't watched the video that she has on it yet, so I could be completely wrong, but this is how I would use the brushes myself. Okay, so COA7 is just this really nice, fluffy, long brush. COA8. This is the brush that I tend to go for when I'm blending because it's nice and small. And then this one's even smaller, so another one that I really like to use as well, COA9. Then COA10, a nice packing brush. COA11. That would be a nice cut crease one actually. COA12, I really like this for getting into the crease when you're trying to do something really small or really detailed. Then COA12, this would be a really nice small inner corner brush for inner corner highlights. Sorry, that was COA13. I think I said COA12. COA14 is a spoolie with the cleaning up for around your brows. Now, I have done my brows because I forgot about the brushes, so I won't be able to use this one today, but it does just, it feels like a standard spoolie brush. It's really, really soft, really nice quality. And then COA15 is this really, really thin liner brush. So it is always good to get these ones, really good for graphic liner and for any small details. So I have used almost all the brushes. There's 4 left that I haven't used. I actually did my base makeup with brushes today instead of a sponge. So I did use the more stipply sort of brush for foundation, and I used the smaller one here for concealer. This one here I actually set underneath my eyes with my setting powder, and then I used the big fluffy one for the rest of my face to set it down. And this one here I used for my bronzer and my blush, and I found it all really, really nice. I'm not a brush person, and I think my makeup, or my base makeup, looks pretty flawless. So I'm really impressed with how well it actually did by using a brush. I would normally have to go over it with a sponge, and I haven't had to. I then used a whole pile of brushes, these ones here for my eyes, and it came out really, really pretty, really nice, blended really easily. I have no little hairs left over on my eyes or anything. I did use this one here for my highlighter, and it was a really nice, like, precise one and blends really nice as well. They're all super, super soft and they feel really luxury, like high quality. So I'm really impressed with them and I'm so glad to have them in my collection now. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family. Hit that subscribe button and change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. And as always, thanks for watching, guys. Bye!